Morning, 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 morning. Today will be an interesting day. A very interesting day. A very, very interesting day. There's 4158. 4158. I need to clean up my charts every day. They have become too messy. Too messy. Too messy. This. What is this? What is this? What is this? Let's clean them up. Let's clean them up. Hello, hello. Gooped player. Hello, hello. Morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday. Can you hear me on YouTube? Can you hear me on YouTube? I hope you can. Morning. Not here. I meant more like on YouTube. More on YouTube. Good morning. Let's let everyone know we are here. Yes, you can hear me. Cool. Thanks for confirming. Thanks for the confirmation. We miss you for 2 days. Yesterday I was here. But for a short period of time. Like we just did one quick Bitcoin trade. That's it. Let's get it down. Let's get it down. Da, 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 da. Hi, oh la la, hi. Morning. Morning, 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 Francisco. Hey, thank you. Thanks. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Muhammad. I'm good, thanks. How are you? How is everyone? Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? No. Why no? Hassan, صباح الورد. What's the tippy? Wait a second. I suggest before you enter, we wait for the opening. All the weekend waiting for Monday? Really? Me all the weekend waiting for a longer weekend. Morning, Salim. Good morning, Dove. Good morning. Market is moving very slowly after the slow Friday. What is the tippy? Oh, what is the tippy? I mean, I personally can see it going down to here, 140. Good morning, Ahmed. Well, let's wait. Let's wait. We have like 8 minutes until New York. Oh, sorry, London opening, so we could see price boom, 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 moving, moving. Hi, Khalifa. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good morning. Hi, Slicks. Learning with AJ. Hi. Wow, look at this. A lot morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Did you guys have cup of coffee? Morning, Sabri. Morning. Yeah, upside in the Asia session was a very clean move. Exactly by the book. This move here was by the book during the Asia session. Yeah, and ginger biscuits. Ginger biscuits? Why ginger? Why ginger biscuit? If you're gonna eat biscuit, let it be the most chocolate biscuit. Let it be the most chocolate Really, it's yummy? I don't know. If I would eat biscuit, at least I want it to be, very chocolate. Otherwise, I would stick to healthy. It's nice, a bit spicy. Let's get it down, let's get it down. Would you be surprised? But you are quite sweet, really? I should try that then. I'm a little bit skeptic when I hear ginger biscuit. I would rather have, chocolate biscuits. Chocolate biscuits. Good morning, good morning. I like to eat ginger raw as or in the form of tea. Ginger tea. Hey Sarah, hey Danny, Danish, Danish Rafi. Oh la la. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Anyone on any trade right now? Anyone on any trade? Good morning. Good morning. Let's get it down. No, waiting for you. Let's get it together. Unfortunately, I buy. Zali, why you buying? Why you buying? Actually, to be honest, my bias is bullish as well. Hope everyone has a blue Monday. Good morning, SK. My bias is bullish. My bias is bullish, if I have to be honest. But I want to see Honor. Good morning. I see you joined. Good morning, Lakme. I see the market. I see the market. I'm more bullish this week. Honor, happy Monday. How are you? Where can be a buy zone? Potentially down here could be a buy zone. Potentially around the 40. This could be a buy zone for 140. Potentially. Let's see. Market is opening in 3 minutes. Better wait for the direction. Better wait, better wait. Morning, Sarah. Morning. We have 2 minutes until we open. Market is not أحسن حاجة أحسن حاجة. Yeah, today market is a little bit. Let's wait. I mean, for sure, after a long weekend, it's going to take some direction. Also, there were a lot of news over the weekend. I don't know if you've heard the news, but there were different news with China, also Trump issuing a new treasury yield, 50-year treasury yield pegged to gold. So there is a lot of news. I think generally the sentiment is bullish with all what's happening. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Da, 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 na, 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 na. I don't know if you've heard the news, if anyone has heard the news. But this is the latest. Oh la la, look at the dollar. Very strong. Very strong. The dollar jumping like this and being in an uptrend will put a lot of pressure onto gold and Bitcoin as well. That's Bitcoin. Oh la la, oh la la. Oh la la, oh la la. I have a new song. I have a new song for you guys. Let me play it while we are waiting. Let me play it. Listen to this. More attention, yes. No, no, now it's gonna become relaxing, you would see. Now it's slowly. Anwar, thank you. Now I wake up. Now you should. Oh, There was another Saratoshi who was live in the morning. What do you mean? How? How? Brain. Yes, still waiting. Oh no, thank you. Bam 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 bam. Voila. Good morning, good morning. Morning. La 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 la. I think Singer is trader before. Good morning, Sarah. Good morning. Who was this other Saratoshi live? Can somebody tell me? La la. Oh, la 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 la. Bam 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 bam. Good morning, Goofy. I'm not Goofy. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Ah, ha, 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 ha. He's making fun no one live, really? Ah, okay, he's joking with me. How can another Saratoshi be live? I mean, they could do it if they record one of my old sessions now and they put it on replay. But it's not going to work. I think it's going to be very difficult for somebody to believe that. Yes, they could record it and play it, but morning, which is which? They weren't trading. They were doing what? Was it me? Was it me on the stream or who? Good morning, Sarah. Good morning. Good morning, Rapture. Goof is still sleeping. Most probably. Most probably Goofy is still sleeping. Bam bam. Thank you, Rapture. Bam bam. Asia session 210. But we just started the London session now, right? It just started. But Asia session was very clean. with this move here. Very clean and easy. He might be the other Saratoshi. Who knows? Bam bam. There is another Saratoshi. There are too many of them. Not just one, not just two. I think they are so many. So many. I am the biggest attraction out there for them. There is an army of Saratoshis, yes. Big army of Saratoshi. I wish they were on my side, but they're against me. All of them. All the Saratoshis are against me. I got three in my blacklist. Morning, Maria. How are you? Morning. Oh. Today, when I was in bed, I didn't want to wake up this morning. My alarm has been ringing since 4 a.m. 4 a.m., the first one. Morning, oh la la, morning. 4 a.m. first. I got up. At the first one, I got up. I brushed my teeth, I washed my face, then I was like, come on, it's Monday. How can I do this to myself? And you know what? I went back to bed. I went back to bed. I went back to bed. Then what happened? I then I kept snoozing and delaying my alarm. Delaying. I got up so late and I was still sleepy. Mine too. Mondays are always difficult. Mondays are always. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Shahji. Hi, King Haider. Really, Mondays are so difficult. And Bitcoin seems like it's going well. It's going well down. Down. The dollar is so bullish. The dollar is so. Sabah al-Nur. Maria, what's your bias for today? What is your bias? Are we selling again? Are we buying? When you take a trade every day, every day. But seems like people are still sleeping. Asia low is a buy zone. Could be. Any upcoming news? Let's see. I mean, look, why we are going down right now because of this. Israel forces triggered explosion in the southern Lebanon overnight. So we have the headlines, typical headlines back on the table with the war. But in the calendar, we have today the ISM services PMI, which is important. It's a red folder. Mhm. How long is going to consolidate? Today is it? Yes, today. Today in the afternoon. ISM services PMI. Mhm. Nice buys coming. I am honestly, I'm more bullish. I'm more bullish than bearish right now. Oh no, it's Monday, not the first day news. Starting from Monday. Oi, what is happening? Generally, Monday mornings are slow until the market, especially after this slow Friday. After the slow Friday. Oh, look at this. Nice rejection at the Asia high. Beautiful. Ideally, this zone down here is stronger to buy from. It's a stronger one to buy from for 139. Mhm. But I like the rejection on the dollar. I like it. Beautiful. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Very slow, right? Good morning. Maria, did you do the Asia session today? Johanna, good morning. I think our alarms were supposed to do the Asia session. Salt, should I close? 147. Sorry, do you teach? Yes. I did all Asia. Open to close. Nice. Asia is moving this past weeks. Yes, Asia is good. But did you do it or you went to sleep? We let it come morning. I went to sleep. Me too. Oh, I slept too. It's a custom song. You will not find it. Mhm. Let's see if we break this here. It's the first day. I agree, yeah. This was my thinking too. But today Asia was pretty easy. We had this cell zone since Friday. It was pretty easy today. Morning sis, morning Sadia. I see us swept the high and went down. Yes. We don't chase, we let it come. Now the London will be moving very slowly today. Very slow. So I think if we don't get any good trades during the London, we will do the Asia. I will do the Asia. And I promise I'll wake up. Nice double bottom here. Small double bottom. We let it come. Oh la la, Sarah. Omar. PM New York will be good, I think. I hope so. Yes, usually Monday the New York session is good. But today we have a red folder. One small red folder. We don't chase, we let it come. Stop loss for what? We are not in yet. Actually, this the Asia low could be the start of the upwards move. We don't chase, we let it come. There is not enough volume, not enough Neither buying nor selling pressure. There is huge increase in buyers. Um, there is a lot of buying on spot. A lot of buying on spot, which in my opinion is what is going to drive the price high these days. This week in particular. There is also a lot of news around China. I don't know if you've seen the news that China is now uh, will be eliminating all paper-based gold trading, and I think the USA is planning to make the market open 24/7 to respond to that, just to mitigate this what China is doing via fake intervention, basically. Never let it come. It's going to be interesting. But generally, I think what they are doing is bullish. The fight for gold will start now. The fight for gold is slowly starting. Also, what Trump is planning, or he was planning on 4th of July to have to release a 50-year yield, treasury yield, for first time in history. Uh, and that was supposed to be pegged to gold, basically pegged to gold. But I think nothing official. They were just talks. But I think something is cooking at the background. Come. The big fight between China and US for gold is starting now. Can we buy now? Mm, we are just consolidating. I mean, since Friday, if you can see, pretty much we are in one line here. Overall bias is bearish. Mm, I think for me it's bullish. For me, I would say is bullish. Like we are still in a good place. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, let me show you. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, we are still making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Ah, come on. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Oh, we just made the. I mean, if we remove this, like, let's classify it as a noise, and we go from. Well, I wouldn't classify it as a noise. Mm, if we classify this, here as a higher high, higher low, higher high, and then this basically means we have a change of the character here, break of structure. So maybe this is the start now of a downtrend. But let's give it a little bit of time. Maybe we can consider that bit here as noise, and just from here, this is still, would be higher high here until we break this point. Good morning, Sunaina. But I personally see on bigger time frames we are bullish. Good morning. Hi DJ. Magic. Dzień dobry, Sarah. Weekend went very quickly, unfortunately. I was crying this morning. Yes, the trend is bullish. This is just a bearish correction, talking about monthly. Uh, Even weekly. I think on the weekly, let's go to the weekly. I think on the weekly we're gonna be moving high, high, high. 4-3, maybe 4,300 this week. This is my prediction. Silver looks strong. Yes, if you zoom out on silver, let's say on 1 hour chart, 1 hour is not the best example actually, but it's in an uptrend if you look at silver. And pretty similar is the chart for gold. Why I have two silvers? Monthly. Good morning, Adesh. Happy Monday to everyone. For 145. Let us see. It's a bit slow. It's a bit slow. But I want to buy from a strong level, either for 140 down here, or we could try and sell if it doesn't break for 160. Could be a good sell zone up here. But so far, I don't know. Maria can give us some information on the FIB. She's master on the FIB levels. Good morning. Oh, I see somebody. Omar, yes, he is in here. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? My weekend was good. Thanks. Thank you. How are you? Good morning, Omar. Very slow moves here. I've still not got a shower. I've been glued to my phone all morning. Yeah, I think sometimes when I wake up and I look at my phone first, especially if I open charts, then all my day goes wrong. So my suggestion is before you open charts, do everything else. Do everything else. If you want to go to do sports, before you open charts, you should do that. Or if you have anything else important to do, don't open charts. If you open the charts first, then you're gonna be stuck. This is what happens to me every morning. But today, this morning, I did nothing, neither looking at the charts nor doing sports, not being productive in any way. I opened charts while showering. Well, that's too much information, but thank you. Okay, now I see something happening. Do you have a note? Nope, I don't have a note. I should put one. Great movements. Yeah, it's starting to. Mine was lazy and good. Yeah. Mars was lazy and good. He was busy. Stay off the charts. Get shower. You're in buy from 56 from here. I suggest we just short Bitcoin and we finish. Just short it. Short it up to 62. From this for 140. In the flame. We don't chase. We let it come. We let it come. Don't be in a rush with the sell, by the way. This was for the earlier, for these two candles here. So don't be in a rush now to sell. Still getting rejection, most likely. Yeah, let's see. Who is singing that AI? Me. We don't chase, we let it come. Silver is trying to push high here. There is a new song with some Macedonian. I'll play it now. Good song, yes. I don't know if that's the song. No, it's this one. Okay. It's similar. Let's play it. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. We have been playing the opera since early morning, but you are not here. It's not my fault. In the flame. Morning, Gabby. We let it come. I think this was the Macedonian part. Ostave me go. The what? The doide? Something like this. I recognize these words. That's Russian. Maybe. I don't know what's the Macedonian part. There is German as well. Not reading anymore. Leave your ego at the door, okay? See when it comes. Train, we let it come. Are you in? Not in yet, but let's see. We let it come. Thanks, Omar. Thanks, Omar. But I cannot see the chart from you. Thank you. Don't be in a hurry to sell here. This sell level was for the previous times. It might still react from here, but we have to see. We have to see. Thanks, Omar. We have to see the reaction here. As I said earlier, actually 60, 61 could work better here. 60, 61 could work better as a sell. But we don't want to sell really today. 60, 61 could be a little bit better. Well, let's wait. I don't think it's going to reject at that point. 61. 62. We're just gonna wait now. We wanna buy ideally. We wanna buy. We wanna buy. We want to buy. That's why we were waiting for the market to to take its direction. We want a buy zone. Yes. Are you in? No, 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 I'm not in. Not in. This one reminds me of Vienna Opera. Are you in? No, no, no. Not in, no. I think we're gonna break straight through this. No, no, no. I think we're gonna break straight through this. Good morning, Alexis. Bye, Sarah. Yes, I was waiting for 140. I was waiting for 140. It didn't give me a chance yet. Perfectly rejected? No rejected yet. Mika, good morning. I don't think we're gonna see the rejection at this level anymore. Good morning, Mika. How are you? Now buyers stepped in. Finally. Mm, okay, this we can. Let's see on the 1 minute. What is happening on the 1 minute? Very tiny bullish candles. Oh la la, bonjour. Good morning. Anyone on any trade right now? Look at rejection. Yeah, 42,000 is clear. This is clear here. The thing is, we don't want me. Mika, are you on the flight? The upper flight? Are you on the upper flight? Let's see if we can jump in here. You said you're not in. No, 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 I'm not in. Not in on any trade. Mika, which plane did you get on? Come on, please correct. We're not gonna run after you. Down to 173? What do you mean, Mika? Oh, you're on the plane down. What? Mika, we're always the opposite. When I'm looking for buys, you are selling. When I'm looking for selling, you are buying. How we're always the opposite. I don't get it. It's hot here too. No way. Really, me and Mika, we are every single day the opposite. Every single session we are in the opposite. Now she's selling. I'm chasing a buy. Use Mika's sold at 73. And it's not gonna give me a chance to buy. Sorry, yes. Da-na-na-na-na-na. What am I doing? Too late to buy. Yeah, I would say so. I mean, we would buy, but on a retrace, not chasing green candles. Really, not chasing the green candles. Okay, Maria. Good morning, Maria. Good morning. I want my buy zone. How are you? Good to see you. Were you taking a nap? This buy left me. This buy left all of us. This buy left all of us. I took buy from 60. From 60? From 60? Up here. I don't wanna. I slept. Yeah, I thought you were taking a nap. I took buy from 55. Ouch. Where is the tippy for what? I think you never smile when I'm gone. What? First step going hard, bro. What did he say? I want to be on Goofy's plane. I don't know. I think Mika and Goofy will be separated today. We'll see the separation between Goofy and Mika. Mika is selling. I'm sure Goofy is buying. I was in Dubai in August, almost died. Yeah, you don't want to be in Dubai in the summer. But you know, in winter it gets cold. Honestly, it gets cold some days. I'm looking for, hoodies and big blankets at night. Sarah, he will go to 156. This is what I'm hoping for. But I don't think so. Like look at silver in Dubai, yeah. Like December. December is getting cold. Or at least me, I'm cold in December. I wear hoodies, I wear it's cool. For me it was cold. Do you think I should close or wait? 153. Um to be honest, I don't know Twix. I don't know what to tell you. I expect the dollar to come back up from here. This is like a good trend line that is following. And also horizontally, we have a support here. So the dollar should, and this will give a chance for gold to retrace back to this level. But you know, I'm just speculating here. I'm just speculating. Dollar is very bullish. Very bullish. And maybe Mika is right that bears are working today. Maybe Mika is right that bears are working. If the dollar continues climbing up, I think we should focus on. Look, it's in a very strong uptrend. Thank you, Alexis. Da-da-da-da-da. Monday is always confusing to set a bias. Really. It's difficult. Monday is the most difficult day. I don't know what's my bias. Like from fundamentals perspective, to be honest, I am bullish. I'm waiting for the price in your area. Me too. Monday shows how the market. Yes. So that's why we might not be in a hurry to get an entry now. Um, I slept because of slow price action. Change the music. Why? Oh la la! It's breaking this trend line. But technically, if I show you something on the 15-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart, we're now at this resistance zone here. Mhm. But it's kind of breaking above it. Let's see on the 15 minute. If it breaks above that, then bullish move confirmed. This blue line. If it, strongly. And it seems like sitting of Bitcoin profits as well. La, 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 la. Bam, 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 bam. Do you trades? I don't have any trades open right now. Nope. No trades open. We just got new hour now. Keymaster. What? Thank you, Mar. This was very well calculated. I can see. I can see the calculation. Thank you. Thanks. Dun, 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 bum, bum. Satoshi Nakamoto enter market. Look, it's kind of maybe forming a structure for a cell here. Let's watch out. I really don't want to take cells, but do you ever buy? Yes, I'm trying to buy, but it's always running away from me. Bum, bum. Which level is this from? And market not letting us. I think I'm gonna stick to my cell as well. Good zone, Sarah. For a cell, it's a very good zone for a cell. I mean, earlier we had it here. I think earlier we had marked it as 163, 162 or something like this as a sell. Oh, you mean for a buy? I know you're always buying. You're always buying. If it comes, if not, why I even asked? Why I even asked? Let's see. Hop in my plane. I'm thinking about it, Mika. I'm thinking about it. See, this is a strong resistance here. Like the previous support is most likely going to act as a resistance now. Dollar made a good comeback here from the trend line. Beautiful comeback. Ah, I think my mind for fundamentals is fighting with the technical side. Just because I'm bullish on fundamentals and what is happening, I think two sides of me are fighting right now. The two sides of me. Oh la la. Beautiful. Let's see how it reacts at 58. Will be interesting to see the 58 if it breaks it or. Where is this 38 here? Let's see this zone. If it breaks, then if it holds and makes a structure, we're gonna look to buy. We're gonna look to buy. If it breaks, then I don't know if it breaks. If it breaks, then we break with it. I don't know. I'm waiting to break 55. Yeah, if it breaks 55, then. Nice to see you yesterday. Yes, Mika. We actually had a good trade, on Bitcoin, but then it reversed back to the entry. And then after it touched our entry again, it went down. It seems like Goofy was right. Goofy was right about what? There's no Wi-Fi in the lake. Were you having a picnic or something? Good morning. It's barbecue. Nice, Mika. I'm planning to do that as well soon. I need to do something cool. PA is so slow. It's slow, yes. Good morning. Why is it so slow? Oh, you mean this zone down here, Omar? Ah, or you mean, oh, you said channel. You mean like this? Oh la la la, bam bam. Oh la la la, bam bam. What is the name of the song? Saratoshi Trading Opera. You can Google it. You can search on YouTube. Saratoshi Trading Opera. Mm. So you sing? Yes, I'm a very good singer. And I dance too. Show us some moves. Ah, not for everyone. I show you moves on the chart. Sarah knows everything. Frame. See, silver is looking ready to bomb. Bam, bam, bam. Oh la la, bam. Oh la la. See, perfectly rejected, respecting the trend line here. I think the dollar is way too bullish. Way too bullish today since last week. Let's see at this level what it is going to do. Can I buy now? For sure. You can. Oh la la. What happened to silver? Yeah, I thought when I see this, I was like, silver is looking ready to bum. Where is best stop loss for what? Searched YouTube Saratoshi trading opera, but couldn't find. Why is it so blurry? Ah. Don't buy it. Double top, but I think it's gonna break it. I think it's going to break it. Bum, 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 bum. 15 minute, yep. 15 minute is not looking good here. Don't be in a hurry to buy. 15 minute doesn't look good. 'Get ready. For what? Nah. Wear your seatbelts. Yes, fasten your seatbelts. Fasten your seatbelts here. Buy setup forming. I really don't see this buy setup. I really don't see it. I did see the sell here actually. If I have to be honest, I did see the sell here. But my bias is telling me buy. Bam bam. No problem. It's okay. It's still early morning or afternoon. Good morning, Mr. Ayo. Good morning. Which plane are you on, Mr. Ayo? Which plane? I know you have your own plane as well. Which plane are you on? Trend short. Wait a little bit. Wait. You never know. Actually, it's stuck between two Two important levels here. This as support, and on the top we have the resistance over here. It's stuck between those two. One needs to break. One needs to break. Look at the comeback for the dollar. I'm telling you, the dollar looks extremely bullish. I think it's going to break everything and continue. Welcome on board of the Olala Airlines. In the flame, we don't chase, we let it come. We don't know the heck. So we know. Can I buy? Nice sweep here. Respecting the 55, yeah. It's respecting the 55 here. We closed above it. Chase, we let it come. It makes you sad, why? Really anymore. Let it come. We let it come. It's creating new support. Looks like it. At the previous resistance, we're now creating a support here. I think here we need at least one more candle, really. Thank you, Taro. Taro Tico. We let it come. I think we need at least one more candle here. I mean, this is not the best, but what is it doing now? 61, 65. Good. To me, it's looking like it's going to continue down here. That's how I see it. That's how I am seeing it. That's how I am seeing it. Forming one full circle. I think we just broke the 55. If we close if we close at 53.52. No rush to buy, guys. No rush to buy. To be honest, really, I saw some signs of a sell here. As previous support turning into now resistance, we got the rejection. I did see a little bit of selling over there. Selling signs, selling signs. We have to wait for at least a couple of more candles. We can't just blindly buy now. Morning, Sarah. Morning, Gabriel. Morning. Well, we closed at what? 54? I don't think this zone would work. I think we're gonna go down. I'm planning to consider my buy zone into a sell zone. I'm planning to consider. No, we're just gonna stick to the main levels. If this doesn't work as a buy, no, great. Which I don't think it would. The good sell was at 60, 65, 63. No, right. No follow. No. Do you think for more longer term? This week, I'm betting on up. This week, I'm bullish. I mean, Monday, I don't know. Like today will set the tone, really. What happens today will set the tone. But so far, nothing has happened that much since the morning. We've just been here, stuck in this. We had one good small pump here, and now we're coming back to where we started from, really. We are starting. But overall, I think I'm more bullish for this week. And I would say for the whole of July. Not to be in a hurry to say this, but this is what I see. If you look on the weekly chart, by the way, let's bring the weekly just to show you something. Oh, what is happening here? It's a bit messy. After. Oh, what's happening? Too many. After you know how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 weeks of downtrend, we finally had the first green candle last week. So I think this time we're probably going to push a little bit higher. We're going to continue the uptrend. And then after that, today is news, yes, in the afternoon. Oi, 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 oi. Today is news, yes. Bull is tired. This should say buy sell zone, really, not buy zone. It should say sell zone rather than buy zone. You in? No, 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 not in. I guess it's a buy zone. Uh, no FOMO, no greed. Nice close here. Rejection is clear, yeah. Buys at 40. That would be much better. That would be much better. No FOMO, no greed. Silver is creating a good setup here for a buy. For your potential buy. Ah, okay. Okay, okay. I see something forming up. I see something firming up. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Buy from here. No buys yet. No buys. No buys. No buys. Not good for a buy. Yeah, I think the uptrend got exhausted here pretty quickly with a few candles. But let's wait. No FOMO. Which chart is the third one? This is silver. This is Bitcoin. Chart is sleeping now. Sleeping. Needs to break 55. Well, we broke it, Mika. We broke it. And we even closed below it. But 53 is holding it. 53. You didn't take the short. No, I didn't short here. And the flame. Jeez. We let it come. Hi, dream. It has now the moving average hanging above it, and it keeps getting rejected from there. Mm. Today we have high impact. Yeah, one red folder, one ISM services PMI. I'm not in. Mm. We let it come. Mm. This is looking more like a cell now from here, to be honest. It's starting to look like a cell here. Can you always win consistently every day? No. There will be days with losses too, and that's normal. This is absolutely. You should share your custom song. It's so strange how it is stuck now. It's stuck between the support and also the moving average on the top. We let it come. We let it come. It's a big fight here. Boom. Boom. As I said, it was starting to look more like a sell rather than a buy. Broke through. Yeah, we broke through it. Yeah, as I saw here, the rejection week and the moving average, it couldn't break above it. It was starting to look more like a sell, but we're kind of in the middle of a range. So we will not take neither buy nor sell here. Make us plain just refueled, yes. Make us plain just got a lot of fuel here. Make us plain just got a lot of fuel. No, I said we're not gonna buy. It's starting to look more like a sell, and we're gonna wait. No buying, no buying. No buying, no buying. Better not to trade on Mondays. There is not even a trend line here, to be honest. We'll wait 140. Yeah, 140 should give us a good reaction. Mondays and Fridays are weird, yes. Are you in? Nope. I'm not in. What about this here? What about this here? And then what? This here. Let's see. Let's see. This might work. A lot of people blow their accounts on Friday. Yeah, making profits all week and then Friday, boom. 150. So I don't trade, but I learn everything because of you. Yes, I try to explain my decisions. Good morning, Muhammad. Might go up a bit here. Yeah, here we might see the reaction. Let's watch. Let's watch. We're not in a rush here. We don't want to blow our accounts. We don't want to blow our accounts. But here we are doing another test. One, two, three, four, five tests for the dollar on this same zone. Five tests. So I think eventually, boom, it has to go down. Yes, it has to go down a little bit, and this will give us a chance to test the upper side of this channel here. But right now, it is not at any. We cannot trade just purely based on the channel, really. Let's see what we get. What we get. What we get. Any news today? Yes, we have high impact news. ISM services PMI. Boom, pararam, pararam, pararam. Ah, another retest. Honestly, it's making higher highs. I think eventually it's going to break it. I mean, looking at this small structure here, it gives me the vibe that it will break. It will break this resistance. Going up again, yep. Going up again. And this is coming down, down, down. Down, down. Good morning, Habibi. Good morning. Good morning. mean, look at the trick, really. Look at this bullish engulfing candle over here. And then we continue selling off aggressively. If you look at the 1 hour chart, crazy. I think it trapped a lot of people here. So look at this like bullish engulfing candle and then boom, aggressive sell off. Aggressive sell off. Hmm. Very tricky. It's going to break it. It's going to break it. If 40 does not give us a reaction, if 40 does not, then we're on the wrong side of the market. I think we should reanalyze. Book to be happy now. Great. Yes, there is space on my plane. Cool, Mika. We might need to join you. We might need to join you. If 140, 135 does not give us a reaction, then what is the next level for the dollar? Actually, to be honest, this was a good sell here. You know why? Previous resistance, previous support now turning into resistance. We also had the 61.65 fib. So we had some good confluence here for this sell. And I was like 50-50 to switch, but I didn't switch. Maybe for 100. For 100. What? This is so far away. For 100. Oh la la. Oh la la. Yes, Burj formed here. What a tricky pattern on the 1 hour chart. What a tricky start. Look at this bullish engulfing candle and then aggressive sell off. That's crazy. I'm on your plane. Now Mika and Maria are on the same plane. Mm-hmm. We don't chase, we let it come. Hi, Ghost. What is the two blue lines? Oh, this was just a channel that we drew, but we'll get rid of it because I think we broke it. Sarah wants to go on Goofy plane. Really, Mika, up here I was thinking to grab your plane. It was, I was like, really thinking to grab it. She switched. Honestly, from fundamental perspective, I think we are bullish. What's happening between China and the US? Technically, that should have a bullish. I always follow the Asia session. You mean like if Asia is selling off, then London is also selling off? If Asia is up, then this is what you mean, Maria? You always follow that. I realize that it's flying. Yeah, I've been looking at what is it called? At the dollar as well since early morning. Nice. Let's watch here. I was awake at 4 a.m. Wow. Nice. We're getting the uptrend exactly from the same level as earlier. But I still expect it to come down. Calm down, calm down. You can calm down. Yes, says Maria. Are you in? Not yet. Not yet. But it gave a beautiful reaction, especially silver. Especially silver formed wake me up. I think we just got Alexis out of the market. He was saying earlier to buy with stop loss 50. Is Alexis okay, Maria? Sadly, I just remembered now. Ah, he cannot be winning every day. He cannot be winning. I know he would be angry. He cannot be winning every day. Song will be changed. Which song, Maria? What a slow market. Wow, silver is looking very beautiful. We need down song. Song for buys. Why you're buying now suddenly, Maria? Let me get on this plane. No, I'm in the buy plane. Come on, come below the Asia low. Do one proper sweep and then please, Goldie, please buy in and out today. Banana trap. We're gonna close in 5 minutes. Next entry give. Hi Sarah, hi Salim. It's Burj Khalifa, yes. We just formed Burj here. If you haven't seen Burj Khalifa, you don't have to go and see it. You have it here. You have it. Good morning, vice versa. Mm, 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 mm. It's entry point for buy. Which one? Abinash. We don't chase. We let it come. Ola ola eh. Tonight we're gonna do also the Asia session. You know this? Tonight I'm definitely doing the Asia session. Definitely. Definitely doing the Asia session. Definitely doing the Asia. I love Asia. So we need to sleep after. Yeah, need to sleep early today. We need to sleep early. No one, no. I'll be there. Cool. We'll be there. For 148. Yeah, this is now acting as a support here. I love eating pips for breakfast. Oh, Mika is so sassy. I love eating pips for breakfast. Mhm. Should we buy? Not yet. Not yet. Numa, 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 yeah. Nice. Silver had a very good reaction here, and it keeps flipping. Let's see. Look at the dollar. Are you in? No, 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 not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet. For 144 buy. Mm, it could give a good reaction actually. And it's already giving it. But I would want to grab it from lower. Potentially from 40. I think the dollar is strong. It's making those what I would call like fake downside moves and then boom, up again. Sorry, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. 4 hour is bearish. Yep. 4 hour just closed. Is the dollar a trap? Yeah, the dollar keeps making traps. We don't chase, we let it come. Well, it printed on the 1 hour chart, it printed two equal candles. Look at this. Two equal candles. Strange. Very strange here. What does that mean? I mean, two equal candles. Like, look at the bodies of the candles. They're exactly the same. Even the wicks, if you wish. The strange mean dump. As you can see, it's making very small and slow moves. Very slow and small moves. But dollar is strong. Happy to see you. Happy to see you too. We're on our way to Australia. Take Omar with you. He needs to go there. I love you. Really, that would be. Are we gonna move at all? Dropped at 52. Mm. Why is it so slow? Oh, I like silver. I like silver. Hey Sarah, hey, it's Evan there. Welcome. Welcome. Nice. This time the dollar is looking ready to touch the support, the trend line. One more time. Hey, Sarah. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Are you full porting? Yeah, we might do a trade on the news again. I'll see. Perfect. It's moving very slowly. Yep. Hey, Sarah. Hey. Hey, it's Evander. Omar, this sounds so bad. You're ruining my image. It's gonna make head and shoulders. Took profits. Beautiful. Silver is giving a good reaction here. Okay. I'm reading sometimes. I don't want to miss. I don't think the buy. It could form a good buy here. A little bit higher than our zone, but let's watch. We have to wait a little bit. Dollar looks good to come back down and touch the trend line here. I have bought. You're already in the plane. Already in the plane. It's my wife. I think it must grab Asia low to take a good. Yeah, if it can, that's why I was saying if it can sweep below that and come back up, that would be great. Let's see. It's moving very slowly. Pretty much doing nothing here. Pretty much doing nothing. I'm not in the buy yet. No, no, no. Oi. Tee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. I'm waiting for Trump to blow his trumpet. He's still sleeping. Yeah, 4144 sweep. Yeah, below the Asia low would be great. Trump is in Turkey. Is he? I don't know. He didn't tell me. He didn't tell me. Silver is slowly climbing up though. If you look at silver, it's already slowly climbing up. Oh, for NATO meeting, okay. I didn't know. What is your opinion for today? Let him sleep, get him out of the market for the day. Why you wanna keep him out? Let him come in to make it more fun. We need it more fun. It's boring without him. I'm going to fly. You're on the flight already? Already on the flight. It would be. Do you plan a buy? Yes, I'm planning a buy. I'm planning a buy. Planning a buy. Only thing that stops me is looking at the dollar. Getting ready for the boom. Which boom, Mika? Which boom? Are you preparing us for more downside? Are you preparing us for more downside? I'm too planning to buy a house. Hola, hola, eh. Is it jet plane or local bus? Let's see. If it doesn't hit one for maybe I would still buy even if it didn't come here. But ideally, really, we want to see a sweep below the Asia low, like 44, and close above. But it might not give us this. It might not give us this. Hello. I've done aviation, so fly is near. Strong zone for the dollar here, by the way. Hola, hola, eh. Hola, 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 hey. Na, 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 na. So slow. Look at this. Look at this. Silver is climbing up little by little. Silver is slowly climbing up. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Sorry, I think I saw you at the Dubai Mall. Possibly. Possibly. Although I don't like Dubai Mall. It's too big. It's too big. And I always get tired there. I like Dubai Hills better. Mhm. I like something easy to navigate. I know what I want and I go and I get it. Boom. Boom. Any wins today, Sarah? No wins, no losses. Today we are zero. We are zero. Boom to Australia. Let's see. Or can we reverse and boom? I think it held pretty strong here. I like this. We're safe. Yes. Sarah, boom. Let's get it down. Let's get it down. Not fully safe yet because I still think it might come down and grab it. Ah, let's wait for it. Yes, we have to wait. That's why I'm not in yet. Need more confirmation. Need more. Need more confirmation. Little Mika is against me today. She wants to go to Australia. Minus 1,000 euro. How? Why? How and why? How and why? Holding very strong here at 46. Market is boring. It's a bit slow. Almost ready to fly. Ready to fly. Fasten your seatbelt. Let's gamble. Let's gamble. Let's gamble. Omar says, let's gamble. Mm. Actually, I still want to see the sweep here. I don't want to enter now. I don't want to enter now here. But it's starting to look good. Especially silver. Look at silver. But the dollar trying hard here. Best area 38. The Bitcoin, no, Bitcoin is here. If it breaks for 143, I'll be serving sushi. Oh, Mika is very. Mika, just jump off your flight, please. Just jump off. Do you want to take one here? We are looking still. Still nothing confirmed. Hola, hola, hola. Tried already. It's trying hard. It's trying hard. Wait, wait, wait. No buying it. Impossible what? Will you tell us when you enter buy? Yes, I'm going to tell you. I am going to tell you. Tell them this is not a financial advice. Of course, it's not one. Hi, Sanjeev. Let's go. Let's go. Done. Yeah, Asia was very sweet, to be honest. Asia was very sweet, really. Those who were awake, chart is moving. It is moving. Oh, that enter you marked it. Well, I see you. Yeah, that was very beautiful here, actually. I think we are departing. I think flight is departing. Sarah, have love and respect. Thank you. I think flight is departing. Let's watch. Fueling, hope will not crash. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Do you trade Asia? Today I will be. Today I will do. What are you waiting for if it's departing? I'm waiting for at least one more candle. One more candle. And what I explained, ideally, I really want to see the sweep here. If that's gonna happen, I don't know. That silver. Silver was moving great. Now what happened to it? We're not rushing, yes. Yes, I was gonna say, I think the Asia session trapped a few people here. Oops, with this spike. And then again, down. I think, yes, you're right. It had a small trap there. What is happening? Everything is going down. We need more confirmation for sure. This is not enough. You get Nearly trapped me, but I got out. You tried to buy Mika or what? You tried to buy? Crashing. Let's not crash. Are you in a buy? No. Ah, you were bullish on Asia, but now. Yes, we are waiting for down here for 140 and see if it gives us any reaction. Honestly, this, if it's not a trap, it looks beautifully ready to, smash it down. Beautifully ready for this, if it's not a trap. Finally, 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 finally. That's what we wanted to see. That's what we wanted to see. Beautiful sweep. Now let's see the close. That's what we wanted. Let's see if it just continues or it gives us good reaction. Numa, Numa, Numa. I can not yet. Not yet. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a rush. Hmm. Oh no, thank you. We are ready. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Thank you. Let's be ready. Yes, this zone here seems to be very well protected. But if it breaks this, I don't know. If it breaks this, we don't chase. We park it here and we wait for New York. We're getting somewhere. Yes, we are getting somewhere. Don't be in a rush to buy, okay? Don't be in a rush. If it breaks this, oh my goodness. Then we are on the way to to New Zealand or Australia. No rush. No rush. London to Australia. Wow. Burj Khalifa. Teach me. Wait. Nice. It's giving the good reactions here. Anyone from Nepal? It's a trap. Yeah, we have to wait. Don't be in a rush. Please, don't be in a rush. It might be a beautiful trap. It might be a beautiful trap here. Oh la la. Oh la la. Don't buy. We have to wait. Don't be tempted by one green candle, okay? You see one green candle and you jump. Did it break 40? Yes, it broke 40. Now most likely the downside will let's see. Not really. Should still give us good reaction from here. Let's wait. Just don't jump in. You need to see a little bit of consolidation here. What pair? This is gold. Nasdaq. I don't have Nasdaq. Oh la la. What's happening with Bitcoin? We should have done a trade on Bitcoin here. Everything is going down. This is consolidating. I love you, Sarah. Wait, guys. Wait, wait, wait. Wait a minute here. This is critical here. 138 to 140 is critical. There is no stop loss. Please don't enter. Not in yet. How do I put it? Not in yet. Not in yet. Don't buy. Not in yet. Okay. I like it. Should give us good reaction here. Ideally. Ideally. So wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you in? Not in yet. Not in yet, but I might be very soon. Hi, RJ. What's up? Today, any news? Yes, we have a red folder today. We have a red folder. Big news coming. Damn, if we break this here, it's going to get a little bit ugly. I think gold is just being manipulated right now because the dollar is not reacting in any way. Only gold and silver are going down. Only gold. Is there any news or something? I don't think so. Good for me if it breaks. Not good, Mika. If it breaks. I needed to hold here. Silver might go to 61.5. It will break. Yeah, looks like it's going to break. Looks like it's going to break. But I think only gold and silver are being manipulated in this. Dollar is not really giving any reactions here. Although it's forming a good sell structure on the 15-minute chart. We'll hit 25 if minus. I am not giving up. I think should still give us good reaction here. I still believe in this. I still believe in this. Boom, bam, boom. Boom, bam, boom. Silver is not strong. Silver is not so strong. I'm not in yet. Where did my not in yet go? I don't know. I lost it. Ah, it's here. Target Tippy. I'll tell you now what would be in the VIP. 140. But we're not buying yet. It might be a trap, yes. But I see very good indications for this to actually work out. I see some very good indications for this to work out. Well, let's wait. Let us wait. Let us wait. Hi, Sarah. Hi. If it doesn't, then we take a break and we reevaluate shortly. Because I've been drinking too much coffee and water. Hi, Muhammad. Hi. Who is here? Hey, everyone. Thank you, Mika. Mika, why don't you jump off your plane and join us? Why you don't jump off your plane and join us? Sarah, teach me about manipulation. Be a good friend for once, Mika. She doesn't have parachute. My plane is good. Mika. I'm waiting for you. Cool. What's your thought on the 15 minutes? 1 second. Maybe Goofy has a jet. Yes, I'll let you know. I mean, the buy, you're already in. You're already in. That's brave. It might be another trap. I won't be in a hurry to enter here. It might be another trap. So don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush. I see some good confluence for this zone to work out. It's a trap. We don't know. We are going to see now. Sleeping Saria. Bearish. You're very cool. Thank you. Got in at 37. Stop loss 34. Yeah, that's good. You're not risking much really. Little bears are playing with me. ISM today, yes. ISM today. Good morning. Consolidation. We might now consolidate at this level for a bit. Where will be the stop loss? You don't need to have a big stop loss, just below those weeks. Just below those weeks. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Mila. Silver is facing difficulties. Now it's frozen. Did you see the 15-minute? Yep, I've got it here. I like the 15-minute. I like the 15 minutes, to be honest. I do like what I see. But I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. Would you say, of course? I'll say, of course, I'm going to say. I guess it's going down, down. No, I see good zone here. Market is very slow. Why is it so slow? There is no power for a buy here. High uncontainable. صباح الخير صباح النور. We're waiting, yes. We're waiting, we're waiting. Which lot size should I use with a 10K account? DXY departed. Officially departed, yes. Not officially, because still resistance here. Yes. Very high close here. I'm a FOMO. Don't be a FOMO. Don't be one. Don't be one. Don't be one. Looks like the dollar wants to continue high here. My fingers in the buy button. Will allow you buy. Mhm. Dollar wants to continue higher by the looks of it. Are you in? No, I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. Nice. As I said, looks like it wants to continue higher unless it quickly now rejects here. It's going to be a flight very high. It officially departed, yes. Next stop is up here. Next stop, for what next stop? Where do you expect TP? Are you in? Oh la la. Next stop is very high for this. Next stop is going to be. It's not trying to take off without you. It's not taking off without me. I know this. This time it wants me to be on board. It wants me to be on board. For 117. Let me see. Have you entered? Nope. I think that's a beautiful trap here. I think the dollar will really continue higher. Which indicators do you use on the chart? Uh, Wait 1 second. Did you enter? No. I think it's a trap. I think the dollar will continue higher and higher because dollar is very strong, very strong. I think this is going to be this small pump here is going to be most likely a trap, but I might be wrong here because technically there is nothing to hold the dollar uh here. Okay, it's filling in a gap actually, but I still feel it's a trap. Yes, what did Maria say? No ma, no ma, no ma, yeah. Sorry guys, I will take a quick break. I'll take a quick break. I'll post the alert on the group. I'll post the alert on the group. I just need a quick break. I'll keep monitoring the chart and I'll be back shortly. Yes, sure. Okay, thanks, Maria. I'll be back shortly. I'll update you on here. I'll update you over there. I'll take a quick break and I'll be back. Yep, it will be there.